Hey guys, the all new 2025 Seat Arona. Does the Seat brand have a future? Yes, it is. The CEO Wayne has his way at the annual press conference for 2023. He's looked back on the past year and gave a clear outlook on a new update for the Ibja and the Arona models. And we have exclusive images from the video shown at the press conference. The past year was successful for Seat, and despite facing challenges like rising raw materials cost, inflations, and the effect of the war, and stabilization of the supply chain in 2023 led to increased production and deliveries. Looking ahead, Seat is set to play a significant role. The company planned to launch improved plug-in hybrid vehicle and fuel-efficient model by the end of the combustion era. And in 2025, the Seat Arona and Ibja will be get a facelift in the next few months. An updated version of the Seat Leon will be launched soon, and similar to the Volkswagen Golf 8 and Audi A3, the Etka will also be updated, extending its life cycle. Let's examine the images of the new Seat Arona facelift. They are small cars originally released in 2017 remain usually similar to their previous version. The most noticeable changes are in the redesigned headlights, including a new headlight cluster and signature. The radiator grills has also been updated. It is a steel hexagon, but now flatter and without its chrome profile. The for Cupra 2024 is a big year with a brand largest product launch to the date. This year they will release the Tavascan, their second all-electric model, and the Terramar, which is based on the all-new Audi Q3. Cupra will be introducing the new updated version of its Leon and the Formentor models, which will be unveiled soon. Overall, Seat is gearing up for the bright future with several new and updated model on the horizon. The commitment to the innovation and the improvement suggests that the brand is not only surviving but thriving. So, with a strategic update and the focus on the efficiency and the new technology, Seat aim to stay competitive in the automotive market, and the positive result from the past year, the exciting plan for the future indicate the Seat is ready to meet the challenges ahead and continue its success. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and keep watching our videos.